Out. Out.
So just tell me a little bit about Nero and what he was like before, what we were struggling with at home with him.
He wouldn't give any warning, and he would like try and protect our home, you know, because he's a big dog.
Yeah.
And yeah, that was a little bit out of control. So.
How did you find your experience with Sunnidale, with working with the trainer, Meg, with working with the staff here?
Yes, it was a very positive experience. I think they managed to train the dog very well, and everybody was really friendly. So yeah, I think it was a good experience for sure.
Working with Meg, with your session, how is his behavior different now, as opposed to at home?
Yeah, he's so much better now. He's listening, he seems calm, less nervous. She said he was really good with the other dogs and the people here, so I feel very comfortable taking him home now.
Amazing. Like, how was your experience here at Sunnidale with the trainer, with the staff?
The trainer was great. Her name was Meg. She was super lovely. She listened to all of the concerns I had and worked through them with me. The staff is all very, very nice, and you can email them at any point and they'll get back to you. And if you're nervous about how she's doing, or this is the first time I've been so much time away from Canella since I got her, so I was a little bit nervous, but they're very reassuring.
And how do you find her now after working with the session with Meg? Like, what's been the biggest change, and even the smallest change?
The biggest change has just been that she listens now. I feel like before it would have been so hard for her to get her to listen. You needed to have a million treats to try to get her to come or to just listen to you.
Yeah.
So that's been the biggest difference, and just the smallest difference is now she's so much calmer. She's a super high energy dog. She's Belgian Malinois, so the fact that she's just sitting here right now is crazy, and I'm so grateful that we did it, because there's a big difference.
Sunnidale Boarding Kennels in Angus has been making pets feel at home for over 20 years. Now offering Good Dog Board and Train program for the love of dogs. Treat your pet to a Sunnidale day. Search Sunnidale Boarding Kennels to reserve your suite online.